Hey everyone, Alex Quinn here at Arcan RV Edmonton. Today we're going to go over the 2024 Forest River Surveyor Legend. This is the 303 BHLE model. It's a nice large bunkhouse design, brand new to the lineup. This one weighs in around 7,800 pounds and 37 feet 11 inches in total length, including the hitch. Beautiful unit. They came out with a brand new decor and a couple new graphics and exterior options. So starting out in the front here, so we do get the new graphics, a little bit more black, looks very sharp, as well as Adzel construction. In the front you get a nice window, so this will bring in a lot of natural light there for the bedroom. A nice large area here, two 20-pound tanks, powered ton jack. Come around here to the side, massive passenger storage. So you can easily have all your items in there, your grills, your barbecues, you name it. Everything's pretty accessible. You get magnet latch and the slam latch as well. Big giant awning here, covers basically the whole span of the trailer, minus the bunk room area, but you're gonna have a lot of your camping set up kind of in the middle. And it shoots out about 8 to 10 feet, so you get plenty of shade and protection against the wind and stuff. So out here in the front, you get two solid step entries, dual doors, both with black tempered glass, friction hinge, and they both have two large grab handles. Now, the nice thing with these solid steps, you might start seeing them a little bit more frequently now, but they are adjustable. They have these little pins, so depending on your campsite, very, very easily accessible. Especially with families, kids going in and out of them, they're a lot safer, a lot more stronger. If you have animals as well, they're a lot easier to get in and out of. And with the friction hinge, you don't have to worry about your kids running in and out and the wind just smacks them right over the edge. You don't have to worry about any of that. They kept that in mind for safety. Come around here to the outside kitchen, we get the nice little convenience center here. So you're gonna get your 12-volt refrigerator mini fridge. You're gonna have a nice little handheld sink, spray hose, and it does come with a nice griddle, so cook all your morning eggs and stuff in there. It's really nice. You get a beautiful LED lighting strip, outside speakers. Over here, we have the all-new Goodyear Endurance tires, so they come with a nice long factory warranty, a little bit more heavier duty, sturdier than previous RV tires, as well as these gorgeous black aluminum wheels. Now, we'll come around inside and we'll go over the rest of it. Now, immediately as soon as you walk in, you do get a nice large pantry closet. So it's gonna have these gorgeous brass accents here, a little bit more tinted, looks very sharp, as well as motion lighting. You have a couple spots for your hooks for your jackets. Large pantry closet here. You get 400-watt solar panels on top, as well as a heated and closed underbelly with tank pads and forced air ducts. Touch on here, we have our bunkhouse. So they get their nice farmhouse kind of design. I'll just close this. I'm gonna take a quick little nap. So slides in and out and come around inside. We get a large closet here. So plenty of space to put all their toys, all their camping gear, additional towels. You can basically fit in here. Now, you do get 4 single beds. This one's fixed up top, comes to the window. The one down here actually lifts up. So it is on struts. You can have all their additional items that you might need. A couple USB ports below. Over here, you do get a TV backer. So you can install a TV, maybe additional shelves. It does come with a ladder. This one does prop up. It is on struts. And then as well as you have a nice little seating area, which is a pull-up bed as well. So you have plenty of seating space. You can even take that out if you really need, and you can have a little playpen in there as well for any younger children. Very, very easy setup. Come around here to the side. Kids in the back and guests do get their own half bathroom, so that's very, very nice. You don't have to trek track mud or dirt across the coach. Parents get their own space, so do the kids. So it is very nice, and it's easily accessible here at the rear entry door. Come around here inside, we have our Hisense smart TV. We have Mr. Goose here on top of our gorgeous little wood accent. All of your power options are here for your awnings. Little built-in Bluetooth system. Additional cabinetry for any additional games that you might need. Over here we get nice, large tinted windows. Now, depending where you park, you're gonna have a lot of beautiful natural light. There's no carpet, so everything's kind of flush with the rest of the floor. You get nice taller ceilings, built-in AC unit up top, so it'll be a lot more quieter for airflow and a lot more even throughout the coach as well. You get a pull-out sofa, nice beautiful dinette. This does drop down into a bed, and of course you're going to see the all-new decor as well. So it looks very, very elegant. You know, it has that nice modern finish, and it honestly shows very, very well. So, you know, you're proud of it. You know, it looks really good. Now come around here to the kitchen. You're gonna get a 12-volt refrigerator. This is 10 cubic feet, and paired with the 400-watt solar up top, you never have to really worry about this ever dying. You know, it's gonna constantly keep your food and all your goods nice and cool and ice cold. So it is brilliant. Built by Furrion. Over here we have our microwave. We have our 3-stage burner, oven, and nice little hidden feature on this one. We have a spot for all your knives, as well as any additional utensils or drink cup. You get this gorgeous cutting board. It also acts as a sink holder as well. Now you do get plenty of space here. It's a bit of a tucked away corner kitchen, but the nice thing with this is your burners, your glass top here does lay nice and flat, paired with your extended cutting board here and your extended countertop space. You do end up having a lot of space in a small area. Now, down below here, we do have our central vac system. That's what I was mentioning earlier. So good news is it works and it's fantastic. So you can use that broom I mentioned earlier. And if you need to pop any bottles here, nice little bottle opener. Come around here into the bathroom. So this being a mid-bath, it's gonna be pretty spacious in here. You know, you get a nice large shower, retractable screen, very, very easy to clean. A couple hooks here for any towels, robes. Bathroom is actually pretty spacious in here, same with the toilet. Nice little medicine cabinet, put all your toothbrushes. And then over here to the side, do you have control of your tank pad heaters for your black tanks. This one does have 2 black tanks because you do have the rear bath. You do get tank pad heaters on all of your tanks here. Come around here to the front is our main bedroom. So the nice thing with Surveyors, you do get a lot more height, so it feels a lot more spacious. You're a taller individual, you know, you're not having to stress too much about that. You get a full 60 by 80 queen size bed. You get a couple pull-out drawers, socks and small items, a couple more storage access here, as well as our dryer pressure monitoring system. You have accessories for your central vac system. This is on struts, so it's easy to push up and down. In the front living area here, we have USB ports on both sides with plugins. Nice large wardrobe space. Upper cabinets as well. And a couple sliding drawers here. Now, nice thing with the front area here, so one, you get that nice big window. So if you do want a little bit of sunshine, you have it. But you also have your screen there too if you just want to have a little bit more of a deeper sleep. And the nice thing with the area back here is you do get additional shelves. So nice little spots there for any of your drinks or also your phone or books. So you can park everything here and then still have enough space for all your clothes and such. Now this is dual entry, so if you want to go in and out, it's pretty easy. Bathroom's right here. Kids get their bathroom in the back, and honestly, it's just a brilliant trailer. It's gorgeous. You have to see it in person, but thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe and comment below your thoughts.